What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your external hard drive is not showing up on your Mac. First, let's make sure your Mac is set up to display external drives. Click on the Finder icon in your dock to open a new Finder window. In the top left corner of your screen, click on Finder in the menu bar and select Settings, or Preferences if you're using an older macOS version. In the Settings window, go to the General tab. Here, you'll see several checkboxes under Show these items on a desktop. Make sure external disks and hard disks are checked. This ensures that any connected drives will appear on your desktop and Finder. If your external hard drive is still not showing up after adjusting the Finder settings, it might not be mounted correctly. We can fix this using Disk Utility. Press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search, then type Disk Utility and press Enter. Alternatively, you can find Disk Utility in the Applications folder under Utilities. In Disk Utility, you may not see your external hard drive right away. Click on the View button at the top left and select Show all devices to make sure all connected drives are visible. Look for your external hard drive in the left-hand sidebar. If you see it listed but it's grayed out, that means the drive is recognized but not mounted. Click on the drive, then click the Mount button at the top of the window. This should make your drive accessible in Finder. If your drive still isn't showing up, the issue might be with the connection itself. Unplug the USB cable from your Mac and the drive, then reconnect it. If possible, try using a different USB port on your Mac or a different cable to rule out a faulty connection. If your external hard drive is showing up in Disk Utility but still isn't working correctly, running First Aid might help fix any underlying issues. Open Disk Utility if it's not already open. Click on your external hard drive in the sidebar, and with the drive selected, click the First Aid button at the top of the window. Follow the on-screen prompts to let macOS scan and repair the drive. This process can take a few minutes, depending on the size and condition of the drive. Sometimes, simply restarting your Mac can resolve issues with external devices. Click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Select Restart from the drop-down menu. Once your Mac restarts, reconnect your external hard drive and check if it shows up. If your drive still isn't showing up, you might need to reset your Mac's NVRAM, or non-volatile random access memory, which stores certain settings that can affect external devices. Click on the Apple icon and select Shutdown. Turn on your Mac, and then immediately press and hold Option, Command, P and R for about 20 seconds. Your Mac will restart during this process, and once it boots up, reconnect your external drive. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most issues related to an external hard drive not showing up on your Mac. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.